Hello, Jim Garcia here at the Infocom 2025. And I bet you guys don't know that ScreenBeam has a whiteboard feature. So with our ScreenBeam Flex or ScreenBeam 1100 piece, you have a whiteboard feature. So basically out of the box, you have a little icon here and you can use a whiteboard. So all I'm doing is I'm clicking on it and the panel becomes a whiteboard. All you need is a touch screen and then you have your automatic whiteboard. So I can do whiteboarding and I could erase, see how it erases, and I could do writing, complete whiteboard. Something that you would pay thousands of dollars for, you're getting it all in one device. And again, we can do digital signage out of the device. We could do emergency. So our product is a complete solution product out of the box. And again, it's no recurring cost. When you have these touch screens and you want to be able to do a whiteboard feature, go with ScreenBeam.